Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck in an Island where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Yo, I think I see a section that has a fountain down there. But anyway, I just got done taking my shower. Judah's gone down for breakfast already because she's not feeling too good. Here's another of the dogs. Yeah, he's marking his territory. Good job. Anyway, so coming down for breakfast. I wonder what she got to eat. Where is she? Oh, there she is. Alright. You hear these songs? I don't know what language this is, but they are singing. Alright. What's that you got? Porridge? What kind of porridge? Banana porridge. Okay. Yo, this seat is heavy. I'm not weak. I'm coming up the camera behind here.
Yeah, I know that.
All right.
Thank
you so much.
You're welcome. Good morning.
Morning.
Can I get you coffee or tea?
Is it coffee with milk and stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take.
Okay, the fresh milk or the sweetened milk?
Fresh milk, yeah.
Okay, on the menu this morning for the Jamaican we have steamed veg with saltfish and Johnny cake, American eggs on the style with toast. We also have banana porridge and yogurt, which comes along with both breakfast. So what can I get you, the Jamaican or the American?
So, I know we get complimentary breakfast, right?
Yeah, we do.
And that's a Jamaican one?
Jamaican, this is steamed veg and saltfish.
Continental is what again? Eggs?
Eggs and the style. And cheese.
Guys,
what's the veg?
Veg like tomato, onion, and bell
fork,
peppers.
knife. I'm gonna taste some of Judah's porridge.
Yeah, can I get it with the Johnny?
Because I wanna know.
And some bacon.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
You're
I like my eggs salted.
Oh, there's salt on the table. Normally the chef allow the guests to add
I get that.
All right, so we got just nice all-around service. I think everyone here has been great so far. So there I got my fresh milk. I'm getting my coffee. And again, I like the rustic feel. Look at this. I kind of want to see who made this mug because there's just a company out here that I saw on Instagram that makes these stuff for like resorts, and he does really good work. So that's the coffee there. Okay, to tell you guys about the banana porridge, it tastes like something that was made from the earth. Like it's really, how can I say it? It's really organic. I can tell you that much. Did you add sugar to it?
I didn't do anything to it yet. I'm not a porridge person. I was just gonna try it.
Are you serious?
I hope you like it.
Give me the porridge then. I don't want the porridge then, okay?
Okay.
Did you tell them already?
No, I don't place the order.
Okay, tell them.
Should I sweeten it for you?
No, thank you. I'll do it myself.
Please taste it.
Huh?
Because you don't want the porridge, would you like a yogurt instead?
I'm Gucci, thank you.
Okay.
I'll have her porridge.
Okay.
You're not gonna sweeten this, babe?
Huh?
You're not really sweeten it?
I don't know what she's talking about, but the porridge seems good to me.
I need some milk.
Powdered, that's for sure. It's really good. I thought you would be digging porridge because you always talk about, oh, my dad makes porridge and I eat all the porridges in the world.
That's not true. Daddy is the only person I eat porridge from. And when I have it, it's just a little bit.
Yeah, well, you make it seem like you eat a lot.
Oh.
Anyway, this porridge is really good. Of course, I'm sure some of you, maybe at your home, you know, don't quote me, maybe at your home, like your grandmothers or your mothers or whatever make better porridges. I don't know. But like, when I say something is good, I'm talking about like, you know, professional standard in terms of when you go to a resort. Because sometimes, you know, some people, they claim they know to make it Jamaican and they don't. But these people, they got it. Alright guys, now that I've had a moment to actually eat through the porridge just now, it's definitely coconut milk, original coconut milk. Like when you're chewing through it, you can chew like very small little stranules of the coconut. So I know someone actually either grated it or blended it, and then they strained it, so you could taste a little bit of that, and I do enjoy that because it does give to the organic flavor about it. I am not the biggest of porridge fans, but me being me, like as I always say, I adapt. Like I would eat, you feel me? So I haven't had banana porridge in a long time. I think the last time I had banana porridge was, or plantain porridge was by Judah's house. So this one is really good. Okay. So breakfast is here. Alright. You can just put mine to the side. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Alright, thank you. Check it out. Look at that. So I got a bit of papaya, some steamed vegetables with some saltfish, some bacon. And when you hear them say Johnny cake, guys, they pretty much mean fried dumplings. So don't get tripping with that. Judah got orange juice, and she doing her photography thing. And yeah, the only difference is that she got eggs, like an omelet. The only thing that I wish that I'm disappointed in, I wish there was ackee and saltfish. Like I'm an ackee and saltfish fan, but I dig this. Anyway, I'm gonna finish my porridge really quick, and then I'll get to this bad boy. See guys, I wasn't playing when I tell you it's good. You guys know me. If I don't like something, I'm gonna tell you straight up. I hate it. But that was good. Can I get some of your omelets? Look at the cheesiness. Ooh. Definitely needs salt. If this one needs salt. The flavor is good. I mean, it's an omelet, but it needs salt. I can taste like tomatoes, green peppers, onions. Pretty good. So this was a surprise of the day. Guys, you know, like when you get something looking like water, but when you drink it, it's coconut water, and that shock that your mouth gets. That's the shock I got. Like we thought it was orange juice, but it's actually freshly done mango juice. And it was good. Got ginger in it. I liked it. I'm not sure if Judah likes mango.
I haven't tried it yet. I don't eat and drink, so yeah.
You don't eat and drink?
No, I don't.
Really? Sips tea.
Choke.
Come on, girl, hot. Anyway, you got birds over there too, guys. We just got done with breakfast. I'm satisfied. I'm pretty satisfied. Yeah. Who wears socks with slippers?
I was sleeping in them.
Okay.
I don't know what people do.
I'm just making fun. So what we're gonna do, Drew's gonna go and take her shower, because she's been smelling pretty bad. And and I'm gonna wait for her, and then we are going to go on the snake trail. Morning. We're gonna go on the snake trail. Chill for a little bit. And I think for lunch we might try to find Boston jerk, as I promised. And yeah, this is where we stayed. If you guys want to stay exactly where we stayed, come to the Kaya. What I was thinking about, guys, is leaving trails for you guys. I know not to sound like a superstar or anything like that, but I know like it's an awesome feeling when you come somewhere that you know that someone else was. You feel what I'm saying? Let me try to get more into details. Centuries ago, like the Africans and all the other indigenous people, they would leave their markings in caves, right? And when other people came there and they saw these markings, it was such a feeling where it felt like you were a part of their lifestyle, or that you were pretty much where they were, you know. So what I'm trying to say is, it would be cool if I like have like some stickers or something, and I could post it somewhere, and then you guys could just come take a photo of. Sorry. You could come take a photo of it, send me through Instagram and say, you know, I was here where you are. You know what I'm saying? I think that would be pretty cool. Especially, I was talking to one of the subscribers once. I did that food review thing, and like she told me, she's like, yo, this is my town, this is my city, this is where I'm from. And I felt good about it to know like I went somewhere that you guys were at. Like it's such a connecting feeling, you feel me? Especially when meeting you guys in person. Yo, it's deep. But anyway, with that, I was gonna shoot it so no one could see, but with that big bag over there, you're telling me that you don't have shorts and a t-shirt?
I just said I do, but like my shorts was for an outfit, so it's kind of like,
guys,
you know,
that's a carry-on bag, right? That's also a carry-on bag, but mine is a lot smaller, and I guarantee you I have an outfit for almost every occasion in there.
You extra. I am planned.
All right. Guys, that's also a very important thing. Like, I can tell you that, like, even though I'm no professional at this, but like as I go along with it, someone's calling me. Richard Johnson. Oh boy. Yo. What did I say, Richard? Yeah, that was one of my friends. He's pretty much an aspiring doctor. I think he's on his practice out here, whatever the case is. And he's going back to China sometimes next year. I want to go to China, so that's kind of good for me to actually have someone who is in that country that I can go there and stay with. Because that's one thing about traveling. It's super nice. I mean, going to resorts and stuff, but it's more economical when you have somewhere to stay, you know, or you know, someone who knows the place. So either way, it's good. But anyway, back to what I was saying. Like, I'm no professional in this whole packing thing, but like as I go along, I start learning, like, you know, what to pack and whatever. Like, you know, I have my little camera bag. It's a small little bag that I have like my cameras in. Then for my luggage bag, especially like things like underwear, like never pack the exact amount of underwear. Like, that's one thing. Is, I mean, if I'm staying somewhere for like 2 days, I'm packing like for 4 days. That's for me, because you never know when you want to extend your stay. Because even here, trust me, I would extend my stay. Yeah, make sure, because like I have like even dress shirts, like 2 or 3 dress shirts, and I know I'm going to probably be only wearing one, but it's always good to overpack. And yeah, so I pretty much, I wouldn't say I'm overpacked, but I'm packed enough, but I'm packed pretty light. As you guys can see, this is pretty much just my bag. Bam. This bag here, and then this bag, of course, I had to have it because of shoes. You don't want to have your shoes inside of your clothes bag, so that's one thing. And then I have my camera bag. This is from Newer, so it's a pretty affordable bag. You know, I ain't making money like that, so I have to buy my things affordably. And it's probably the smallest size that they had, that I could, you know, store some cameras or whatever it is in there. And yeah, and that's all that I have.